Can anyone else go to the Joanne's YouTube channel? Because I couldn't get to it. Yeah, Jenny's, by the way, thank you so much for the super chat. Wow, you didn't have to do that. Yeah, the same thing happened, and I was wondering if they had gotten hacked or something. Like, it's really strange. Yeah, I think it does seem, what is going on with the Joanne Fabrics YouTube channel? It's really weird. Yeah, if you go to YouTube and you search for Joanne Fabrics, it'll pop up, but then when you click on the channel, it's something really weird. Because that is a problem. YouTube channels get hacked a lot. If you search for Joanne Fabrics on YouTube, like you see, okay, Joanne Fabrics, 343,000 subscribers. But then when you click on it, this pops up, MicroStrategy, but it has, the URL is youtube.com/@JoanneStores. It's like they, stole the channel or something. And yeah, it has the same subscriber count as Joanne. So it has 343,000 subscribers. This is really, it does seem like Joanne's channel was hacked or something. Yeah, this is really, and it's like some Bitcoin live stream. And look they're linking to a bunch of videos on another channel at this MicroStrategy. Let me look for MicroStrategy. Yeah, something weird is going on with their YouTube channel. They linked a bunch of videos from this MicroStrategy channel, and this channel has 339,000 subscribers. So it's like they stole the Joanne's channel to link a bunch of their videos. This is like super weird. And they're linking a bunch of stuff from this channel to the main Joanne's channel. Yeah, so this is really, it does seem like, I guess breaking news, it does seem like the Joanne's YouTube channel might have gotten hijacked from some sort of crypto type thing. I don't know. Yeah, I would agree. It does seem like the Joanne Fabrics YouTube channel might have been hacked. So be careful. I wouldn't really click on any of the videos or anything. Something is definitely going strange with the Joanne stuff. That is for sure. It's the Joanne Fabric and Craft Store channel name, but they put up some sort of weird Bitcoin live stream. We just learned something new tonight. That's for sure. I do not think they sold the channel. I've seen this happen to other channels, and it's usually, there's a lot of phishing scams or two-factor authentication type things that happen. I have some tools myself that make my channels harder to hack. I'm not going to say exactly what they are. Yeah, I feel bad for Joanne. If they really were hacked, that's a pain in the butt because it's hard to get a hold of anyone at YouTube to fix it. It kind of looks like they've been hacked. Has Joanne's even been updating their YouTube and Facebook pages during this financial transition? Well, let me check. Hold on a sec. Yeah, that's pretty weird. It does seem like they've been hacked or something. I think they've been updating their social media. I'm not sure when their last YouTube video. I don't know about their YouTube because I don't even really follow them on YouTube if I'm being honest. But yeah, that is really bizarre. Okay, yeah, so there's this website called Social Blade. Here, I'll show you. And you can track different YouTube channels and whatnot. Notice their logo has been replaced with that MicroStrategy thing, and the only video is this freaking live stream with 130 views. This is really, so if you go to their user let's see here. Let's see detailed statistics. And anyone can go to this Social Blade website and check out their stuff. So they've got 97 million video views. Okay, so they lost 1 million. It looks like they deleted some videos or something back in October, back a few weeks ago. But if you go to the user videos, let's see the featured box here. Okay, if you go to the user videos, now they only have that weird Bitcoin thing. Yeah, I think their YouTube channel's been hacked, if I had to guess. Yeah, this is not good. To say it's a hassle would be an understatement. It's kind of like a nightmare. So, and by the way, all of these videos they're linking, this is not on the channels. They only have this one live stream on the channel. All of these things that are on the homepage are on there. So they basically, it looks like whoever this is took over the Joanne YouTube channel. They've got this one live stream, and then they're trying to promote videos on their other real channel that's not Joanne's. This is really bad. I can't believe I just was like, hey, let's go to the Joanne's YouTube channel and see if they have any tutorials there. And it's been taken over by some sort of Bitcoin scam type thing. So that's weird. But notice it still says Joanne Fabric and Craft Stores. But yeah, all of these playlists they're promoting, this is not on the Joanne's channel. This is on their real channel. They took over the Joanne's channel to promote their real channel. So yeah, exactly. The playlist still has the Joanne's playlists. Actually, let's see what happens if you click on it. Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if Joanne really I don't know if they know about this. That's really strange. All right, I'm going to see what happens if I click on videos in the playlist. My guess is it seems like they wiped out all the content. I don't know. All right, so let's click on the Getting Naughty.
Hi,
okay,
I'm Courtney.
Oh,
I am
this is on another. Wait, you know what? Okay, so I think I know why these are showing up. It's because they're promoting stuff on another channel. So you can still see the playlists where they promoted stuff on other channels, because these videos they weren't on the Joanne's YouTube channel. Yeah, look at these. So, okay, this makes sense. You can see videos that they promoted in playlists that were on different channels, like the Lion brand yarn, because this isn't their stuff. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I bet Joanne's had a lot more playlists than this, but they were wiped out by this MicroStrategy thing who took over. But yeah, see, you can see this video is on someone named Ken Kaufman's channel. I have no idea if that's the case, but that would explain some of the technical issues we're seeing for sure. If you are tuning in late, or if you're just joining us, it appears that the Joanne's YouTube channel was hacked by some strange crypto Bitcoin type channel called MicroStrategy. And we found this out live during the show.